Hello, my name is Peter Dekkers. I have been working for YOS America for 28 years, and as a consultant, I mostly work with customers on site. But the exchange with our planners, technicians and designers in Newquay and Ottobock in Duderstadt is also an important part of my activities. In order to find customized solutions, close contact with our customers is a very important aspect of equipping projects, which can often be quite extensive. A modern orthopaedic workshop is like a large jigsaw, where all pieces have to fit together. Important aspects are employee health, efficient work processes, and high-quality modern machinery. To get a more detailed picture of our machines, many of our customers also visit our exhibition rooms in Newquay to put our machines to the test on site. For me, the biggest compliment is when customers would ideally like to take the machine with them there and then.